Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we officially start the 2025 riding season. There she is, the 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator. Let's pull the cover off. Okay, let's put the battery inside and start her up. Okay, I put the battery somewhere here. There she is. Okay, so the battery says if the battery is below 12.4 volts, you need to charge it. So let's check it with a multimeter. 20 volts. Alright, it's sitting at 12.3, so it needs charging. Let's grab the charger. Okay. Connect the terminals. Okay, and then select a motorcycle. Okay, now we wait till the battery gets charged.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, the battery is fully charged. Just take this, unplug it. Okay, let's check the voltage again. $12.8. Looks good. Now let's install the battery in the motorcycle. Okay, now to access the battery compartment, you just need to put the key here, turn and lift the seat up. It's the seat off. Okay, I need to take this bracket that holds the battery off first. Need an X head for this. Here's the back bracket off. Leave this here. Okay, let's grab a Phillips. Put the battery in. Connect the terminals. Okay, so the nut goes under the battery terminal, and then you put the positive terminal on top and then put the bolt on. Okay, I had to use a pick to hold the nut under. It's kind of tricky, but I got it. Battery's in. Let's put the seat back on. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do the bracket. Okay, the battery bracket is on. Now let's put the seat back on. There you go. Okay, I went around the bike, everything else looks good. It's I think I'm gonna take it soon for a service anyways. I only have 300 kilometers on it. Didn't get much chance to ride it last season. See what we can do this season. So let's do a cold start. Okay. By the way, for the gas tank, I put in fuel stabilizer when I stored it last winter, so it should be good. Okay. All right, starts right